I think I know a lot of things, but I also know that I have those blind spots. And I have to be able to sit down with people that see things differently to understand where they're coming from. All of those experiences make us who we are. And that's where our strength is, right? Because you may have an idea for a business or a way to craft a policy that I've never thought of. And that's where the brilliance will come. Because your piece of legislation that you worked on in 10 minutes, Tim couldn't have come up with that on his own. That because you had all of these people from different groups and different perspectives, you were able to bring them together and try to craft that in a way that, unfortunately, leadership didn't see that as a priority. I think that's an absolute tragedy, right? Because of the diversity of the people that came together to make that happen.
Another thing which I want to add, that is very important, because we believe in multicultural, multilinguistic, multi-ethnic, plural society. And this is the beauty of the US, that USA have land of opportunity, have a multicultural and multi-ethnic society, a plural society, which is the beauty. This on the grounds, we believe in cooperation, coordination and coexistence. But as far as the Kashmir community is concerned, because Kashmiri community here in all over the US in different states, they are part and parcel of this society, they are paying taxes, they are a very successful businessmen. And it's our intention and it's our objective that USA government, and especially the groups which are working for the human rights, because external politics and internal politics and foreign affairs have their built up by the pressure of the peoples. And as far as the human rights violation is concerned, Jammu and Kashmir region is the worst region of facing the human rights violations, because two nuclear powers, India and Pakistan, and third one is China. And we are under the sandwich between these two nuclear powers, and people are suffering because they are living under the cloud of the wars. That is why we, as politicians, human rights activists, lawmakers, jurists, people who are political thinkers, they come forward and exert pressure on India.